All right, it's a windy day, so I apologize for any wind noise. This just in from Lithuania. This is a Lithuania gift from Lithuania. So let's see what the Lithuanians have sent me. Don't want to hurt it if it's alive or damage it if it's fragile. So let's get right into the box here. Ooh, so for those of you who really like the unboxing part of unboxing videos, this is good suspense for you. I'm going super slow. What on earth would some Lithuanian want to send me? Ooh, Lithuanian styrofoam is square. It is. Oh, there you go. That's for my cup of tea in the morning. All the best Russian things. This Mercedes is Gopnik Putin. That's a Gopnik Putin. Got the crest, the royal crest. You got American cigarettes, Russian vodka. All right, thank you, Lithuanians. Anything else you want to send me, please do. I don't know if you can top this. Maybe if I could get a matching shirt, that would be pretty awesome.